Oke, selamat datang di channel Atmaja Viral. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel ini. Dan seperti biasa, saya akan berdoa agar kalian diberikan kesehatan dan kesuksesan. Amin. Welcome back, guys. Kita akan kembali lagi mengamati idola kita semua, yaitu Putri Ariani, The Beautiful Song Indonesia. Nah, kali ini ada reaktor dari Amerika yang sangat-sangat terkejut. Nah, kali ini masih seputar kolaborasi Putri Ariani dengan penyanyi legend internasional, guys. Kali ini ada reaktor dari Amerika yang sangat-sangat kaget dan sangat-sangat terkesima melihat Putri Ariani tampil dengan David Foster. Ya, kita tahu Putri Ariani dapat kesempatan emas tampil bareng di konser semegah itu, guys. Dengan David Foster ini sangat membanggakan bagi kita semua. Wow. The Beautiful Song menunjukkan bakatnya kepada dunia. Wow, ini keren sekali, guys. Dan oke, tanpa terlalu banyak cerita di depan, link video original ada di deskripsi paling bawah. Yuk kita menonton videonya. Let's go, guys.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nanefia Scarlett. So today we are here with another one from our beautiful queen, Putri Ariani. So this time around, she is singing
Ariani.
"Sorry Seems to Be the Hardest Word Ever." Okay, so she did a cover song in David Foster and Friends Asia Tour 2023. Okay, so guys, without further ado, let's get started.
So I've been watching this girl on television
Wow.
in America. Don't know her at all. She's on America's Got Talent. Simon Cowell, the toughest guy on the planet, gives her the golden buzzer. Please welcome Putri. Yes. Hi, beautiful. Hi. Are you okay?
I'm really great.
Did you try my piano out in rehearsal, or
Yes.
is it okay?
Can I borrow your piano?
You can. Well, normally I don't like anybody to play my piano, but tonight I make an exception for you, okay?
Oh my God, thank you so much.
I'll just walk over here and listen. She is amazing.
Thank you so much. It's a special day, special night for me to be here because David is my role model in my music life. And actually, I learned to play a piano because of him.
Keren sekali, guys.
I'm so excited.
Wah, semoga itu ya, guys, panggungnya.
What I gotta do to make you love me? What I gotta do to make you care? What do I do when lightning strikes me?
how does she do it? Like, how does she just sit at one place and just do amazing, like, just do a miracle? Because what I watch right here is just a miracle. It's just some kind of Jesus miracle. This girl she's good, like, undeniably, because this is the first time we are checking out Putri. We know Putri right from American Got Talent, so I don't need to say much. Like, what I have to say is, you see, let me tell you something. Sometimes if you check one person like consistently, you become used to the person, you become used to the voice. Like, whenever you hear, like, I know, like, I've heard this voice before, it's Putri. But no, this lady right here always spice up things for you, always give you the reason to check more of her every single day. And I don't know how she does it, but whatever she do, like, however she does it, I'm in love with it. Like, I don't know, I just love her. One thing, I love her personality. I love how she just bring out the music so, like, lively. Cause when she sat down and she wrote the song, I was like, wow, she sang it with so much passion. Like, you saw it written all over her face. Like, she was so much into the song. She know what she does, and I think she loves to sing. She loves to do it, so it becomes so easy. Wow, Putri. And I just love the intro David Foster just gave her. Like, the intro was amazing, because obviously we all know Simon Cowell. Like, he is so tough when it comes to his judgments on American Got Talent. But for him to get just give someone a golden buzzer, then that means the person just went extra to get that. And Putri is an extra girl. Like, when it comes to a song, she's always extra. Like, a song that people will sing it and it will sound ordinary, she will sing the song and it will sound so extra, like, for everyone to love it. I mean, I just love it. I'm sure this was the same stage, the same platform she sang Beauty and the Beast with Peppy, and she sang this song. She sang this song actually on American Got Talent, if I'm not mistakenly, and she sang it here, and it seems like this is the first time I'm hearing her sing this particular song. It was so beautiful. And indeed, sorry is always the hardest thing to say, because I don't know why people feel so pride when it comes to saying sorry. Because of 5-letter word sorry, people lose so many things in life. People lose their friends, people lose their parents, and parents losing their children because of just this 5-letter word sorry. I don't know, sorry is the hardest thing to say, but then we can try, and if the person we are saying the sorry to is worth it, like, deserve that sorry, we should just say it and keep them. I just love it. I love watching Putri. She's one of amazing person. I've really fallen in love with her for the past few months. Child, I can't stop checking out her, because whenever I check it out, I feel like, wow, she always take me to another level. I love her, and she looked beautiful in her outfit, and how she just looked beautiful sitting and playing her piano as usual and giving us beautiful things. Guys, let's all support Putri to the latter part, because she is winning. She is taking the money to Indonesia, and we are all with her, because this time around, it's obvious. Guys, let me know what you think about this video. For me, I really did enjoy every bit of this video. I enjoy her performance, and she looked beautiful. So let me know what you think about this video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscription button
Guys,
for
jangan
more
lupa subscribe
notifications.
juga,
Thanks
guys.
for watching.
Oke guys, dan wow, memang amazing sekali. Penampilan Putri Ariani selalu bikin orang yang pertama melihatnya selalu terkejut dan sangat-sangat kagum, guys. Dan iya, betapa fenomenalnya sekarang Putri Ariani menjadi suatu ikon atau suatu vokalis favorit bagi reaktor luar negeri, guys. Dan ini sampai banyak orang dari berbagai negara yang sangat-sangat menyukai suara Putri Ariani, guys. Dan memang kita kagumi juga. Putri Ariani selalu bisa menempatkan sebuah perasaan lagu, dan itu sangat luar biasa. Apalagi penghayatan emosionalnya itu selalu dapat, guys. Putri Ariani selalu menggunakan perasaan seperti dia ini masuk ke dalam lirik lagu tersebut, seperti dia ini merasakan pesan-pesan dari lagu tersebut ini keren sekali guys. Dan wow, ya sebentar lagi kita tahu lah ya, kita tahu semifinal Putri Ariani. Intinya kita support terus guys intinya. Oke guys, dan jangan lupa berikan suara kalian dan ya intinya doa kalian untuk Putri Ariani. Oke guys, dan sukses terus buat Putri Ariani. Good beautiful song, sukses ke depannya dan ya diperlancar nanti di semifinal. Oke, dan apa tanggapan kalian teman-teman? Kalian juga bisa tulis di kolom komentar harapan apa dan tanggapan apa yang kalian ingin sampaikan. Dan sekian video kali ini, dan mungkin jika ada kesalahan kata dari saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.